today's video. This is a B1 level speaking lesson, and today we're going to be talking about cleaning around the house. So what cleaning equipment do you need? So you can take a look at these, see how many you know the names of in English. So we have a broom, a cleaning cloth, a mop and bucket, a scrubbing brush, a vacuum cleaner, and rags. And what cleaning products do you use? So here we have window cleaner, wood polish, floor cleaner, surface spray, and air freshener. And how did you clean? So dust the furniture, mop the floor. Oh, sorry, dust the furniture is this one. And then polish the table is this one. Scrub the bath, and to sweep the kitchen. And where did you clean? So to tidy the bookshelf, to organize my desk, to put away the dishes, to clean the stairs. And how about these places? So this is the attic, the basement, the patio or veranda, the closet, the laundry room, the living room. All right, now we're going to read this text about cleaning the house. You can pause the video, read on your own. Since this is a speaking lesson, I'd encourage you to read out loud, or you can follow along as I read. Yesterday, I cleaned the house. It took me about 3 hours to tidy up and clean everything properly. I keep all the cleaning products in a cupboard in the basement. First, I picked up the duster, some cleaning cloths, a bottle of window cleaner, some rags, a bottle of surface spray, a bottle of floor cleaner, a broom, a mop, and a bucket. Next, I tidied up the house. I emptied the dishwasher and put away the dishes. I organized my desk. In the living room, I picked up the books and magazines and put them back on the bookshelf. I emptied the little trash cans in the kitchen and under my desk. After that, I decided to start in the living room. I dusted the furniture and I swept the floor. Next, I went into the kitchen, sprayed some cleaning products on the cloth, and wiped the cupboards, cabinets, sink, and fridge. I don't like to clean the bathroom because you need to use a lot of energy. I scrubbed the shower area and the sink, and I wiped the bathroom mirror clean. I also sprayed air freshener too. After that, I used some rags and glass cleaner to polish the windows. I was nearly finished. I filled the bucket with hot water and added some floor cleaner. Then I dipped the mop into the bucket and mopped the floor. Finally, everything was clean again. I made myself a coffee, sat down on the couch, and took a quick nap. All right, and anything else that's associated with cleaning the house? So did you forget anything? Did anybody help you? Did you take a break? And did you rearrange the furniture? So after that, after you've thought about those questions, see if you can talk about a time when you cleaned your house. Please speak aloud and in full sentences, and you can use these sentence starters to help you. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.